Today I'm going to show you how to change the light bulb of microwave. This model that I'm changing at the moment is Cookworks 700 watts, but it might work for you as well. This microwave used to, the light bulbs used to turn on when you turn it, the door open, but this one doesn't. So this means that the light bulb inside is broken. I've previously opened it up and changed the light bulbs and took it out, and then that was this model, and I bought it online. This special model was 240 volt 25 watt, and it was 300 Celsius degree. These light bulbs are special. Make sure to buy the right one that is specially designed for microwaves. Okay, how to open it up? To open it up, you need a Phillips screwdriver, and if your brand has got different model, then you need to have the different ones. Mine needs Phillips, and this model as well. I don't know if you can see it properly. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to open it up. Just unscrew this one. There are some in the back. Okay. What you do, make sure to take the plug out, so you know that it doesn't have any power, and just turn the door open and close so all the power goes off, if there are still any power left inside. I think there is, yeah, there are two screws that needs this version, so I'm using this one as well to open it up. Okay, so I'm done. Now you need to lift it up. Just take this with both hands, and then just lift it up. And when it's lifted up, just try force it out. Okay, I'm going to put this somewhere. Now, on this side, you can see there is a light bulb container. I'm going to unscrew this two screw so that I can access the fitting. Okay, there are two screws, and here's the second. Okay, done. Now slide this one down, and then take this plastic part, just slide it this side. And now if you come closer, you can see that's that area. Now I'm going to put the light bulb there. Screw it. Okay, all done. Now what you need to do is clean it with some cloth. Clean all around the light bulb so it doesn't interfere with the lifespan of your light bulb. Okay, now I'm going to screw it a bit more. Okay, it's all done. Now there are no residue from your hand on the light bulb and it's all safe. Okay, I'm going to put this back, both of these pins inside, and then just slide it up. Can you see? Slide it up and then just screw back this Phillips. Oops. There you go. This is a bit hard if you don't have a magnetic screwdriver. Okay, this one is gone in. I'm going to put the second one. Okay, now before closing the lid, just plug this back just to test it to see if it works. Yeah, it works. Can you see that light? Now it turned on. You can see it's on, so that it's working. Okay, all done. You just need to put the lid back and everything is fine. Just make sure to take the plug out again and do it yourself. Thank you very much for watching. See my other videos.